I believe you have a choice in this world about how to tell sad stories. On the one hand, you can sugarcoat it, but nothing is too messed up that can't be fixed with a Peter Gabriel song. I like that version as much as the next girl does. It's just not the truth. This is the truth.
Hey, make some friends.
Sorry.
My bad. I'm Augusta Suarez. I've been in remission for about a year and a half.
Maybe you'd like to share some of the fears with the group.
My fears? Oblivion. What's your name?
Hazel.
What's your full name?
Hazel Grace Lancaster? Why are you staring at me?
Because you're beautiful. So, what's your story?
I was diagnosed when I was 13.
No, your real story.
I am quite unextraordinary.
I reject that at hand.
You know, guys talks about you all the time.
We're just friends.
I hope you realize you're trying to keep your distance away from me. No way, that's my affection for you.
Gus, I'm a grenade. One day I'm gonna blow up, and I'm going to obliterate everything in my wake. And I don't wanna hurt you.
You don't get to choose if you get hurt in this world, but you do have a say in who hurts you. I'm in love with you, Hazel Grace. And I know that love is just a shout in the void and that oblivion is inevitable. I'm in love with you. All your efforts to keep me from you are gonna fail.
We're a hot mess.
Are you angry?
So angry.
You need to break something.
You gave me a forever within a number of days, and I can't tell you how thankful I am for our little infinity.
It's a good life, Hazel Grace. Okay?
Okay.